my dad wasn't a big talker, but he would share a few kernels of wisdom. And one of the simple kernels he shared once was, you have to remember water doesn't flow uphill. And we laugh about that, but it's until you try to irrigate something, you don't know that lesson. And I've learned that lesson through working this land for 30 years, 40 years. My dad learned it, so we've learned it, and the farmers before me on this land have learned it. So that's why our fields are all divided up by height. And the difference between the highest part of our ground and lowest part of our land may be 6 feet. But when you're trying to irrigate and you go, wow, that water doesn't flow uphill, you realize you need to irrigate certain areas first, depending on the amount of water you're getting, the pressure that you need, and then water flows downhill, and you understand the nuances and the character of just about every row. So as you're watering, you're saying, this row isn't level. I need to, push the water harder down this. There's that physical nature of it. And if you mess up, and this is that other part of the physical nature, you pay for it through physical work. And what I mean simply by that is if I messed up and I didn't calculate the water pressure quite right and the water didn't reach the end, I have to go and retrench that row to make sure the water ends, and I'm digging in that. Now that relationship of 108 degree heat comes into play.